Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and look what I have here. It is 6 friends from Encanto. These are cute little Disney figurines from the movie. The detail on these are incredible, all the way from their hair down to their toes. They nailed the creativity and the detail on this. They got their glasses, the flowers, their hands move, the bodies bend. The cool thing about this too is they each have their own individual item. If you've ever watched the movie, it characterizes their personality, and they each are able to hold this item and it comes with it. And also, if you do have the Casa Madrigal, these go with it perfectly. They are 9 centimeters tall and they are fun. You got Mirabel, you got Isa, Pepa, Isabela, and all your other fun friends here. My daughter absolutely loves these. They're so cute, but that's just my point of view.